Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO A57s to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, open it. Now you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both devices. Following that, click on Not Now in this pop-up if you wish to, and then close it by selecting OK. Now you need to choose Send at the bottom left corner of your OPPO if it's not already on, and Receive over here on an Android. Then you can finally click on all of those type of dots from all of those categories and hit Send next to selected. This way you will choose all of those files that you wish to transfer and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one. Maybe this one. Choose Send and tap on Got it. Now on an Android, scroll down, tap on one of those options and choose Close this window. Finally, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code using this scanning icon, selecting while using the app or only this time and pointing our Android's camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here and tap on Receive button in order to connect. Now as you can see, after a while, my picture was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!